we are going to learn more activities to further develop phonemic awareness. Just like the activities presented in the first video, all of these exercises should be orally practiced with children, but will be presented visually for training purposes only. All of these exercises fall under phoneme manipulation, but let's define first what a phoneme is. A phoneme is the smallest part of a sound in a spoken word. For example, in the word cat, we can hear three sounds, k, a, t. In the word check, the three sounds are ch, e, k. Notice that ch and ck are digraphs that are spelled with two letters but only count as one sound. The first manipulation of phonemes is phoneme blending, where we form a word from a sequence of sounds. If we blend the sounds t, e, n, we form the word ten. If we blend the sounds sh, I, p, we form the word ship. The next exercise is phoneme segmentation, where a word is broken into its sounds by tapping or counting. So the word van would count as having three taps, v, e, n. And the word duck would count as having three taps as well, d, k. In phoneme deletion, we state the word that remains after a phoneme is removed. So if we remove k in the word crib, we are left with rib. And if we remove b in the word broom, we are left with room. Phoneme addition is the opposite of phoneme deletion. This time, we form a new word by adding a phoneme. For example, if we add s at the beginning of pin, we form the new word spin. If we add t at the end of the word car, we form the new word cart. And finally, we can do phoneme substitution, where one phoneme is changed for another. For example, if we change b to w in the word big, we form the new word wig. If we change sh to ch in the word ship, we form the new word chip. These exercises can easily be integrated with existing classroom activities and will only take a few minutes to perform. With regular practice, children will develop phonemic awareness, which will help them become successful readers and spellers later on.